In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unusual activity detected on ElevenLabs in 2026. If you're trying to sign in and you see the message saying unusual activity was detected and free tier usage has been disabled, the first thing to do is read that warning carefully. This message usually means ElevenLabs' abuse detection system has flagged either your account or your internet connection, so it's important to troubleshoot in a calm and methodical way. Start by turning off any VPN or proxy you may be using. Services like ElevenLabs can treat shared or masked connections as suspicious, so disconnect the VPN or proxy completely, then reload the site and check again. Next, look at the network you're using. This warning can happen if multiple people are sharing the same IP address, which is common in homes, offices, schools, or even some mobile carriers. If that might be the case, try switching to a different legitimate internet connection. For example, move from Wi-Fi to your regular mobile data connection, or try another private network you trust. Also, avoid creating multiple free accounts. ElevenLabs specifically uses this protection to prevent repeated free account creation, so if you've made more than one account, that may be part of the issue. It's best to sign in only with your original account. After that, clear ElevenLabs site data in your browser. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Third-Party Cookies, then see all site data and permissions. Search for ElevenLabs and delete the stored site data. This can remove old session information that may be contributing to the warning. Once you've done that, close your browser completely, reopen it, go back to ElevenLabs and sign in again using your existing account. If the issue continues, try opening an incognito window in Chrome and sign in there. This helps test whether extensions, cookies, or cached browser data are causing the problem. You can also test in another browser like Edge or Firefox to rule out a browser-specific issue. While doing all this, avoid repeatedly creating accounts or sending lots of sign-in attempts, because repeated activity can keep triggering the platform's protection systems. If you're on the free plan, it's important to understand that this restriction may not always be removable. According to ElevenLabs' documentation, once the free tier abuse system flags an account or connection, there may not be a manual way to lift that flag. If you need continued access, you may want to consider upgrading to a paid plan, since paid subscriptions are not subject to this particular free tier restriction. And if you believe the warning is a mistake, contact ElevenLabs Support and include screenshots along with a clear explanation of what happened. Finally, don't try to bypass the restriction by using someone else's account. Stick to your own account and follow ElevenLabs' official usage policies.